Mandla. Awethu. Mandla. Awethu. Thank you very much, comrades. My name is Mchunu. I'm here representing BEC yase-Ejud, Zevele 2 branch. Sijabule kakhulu ke namhlanje emva kokuwina ama-elections after isikhathi eside unyaka obemude kakhulu silidwa abantu abebengasiphethe ngendlela ekahle. So okwethu okwami njengamanje akukuningi la ngizokhulumela ibranch yeSASCO. I'm standing with me here with the incoming secretary unobhala webranch, the newly elected, the current SRC elect yase-UKZN Ejud campus. So mine is very simple to say to students, since uSASCO winile wangene office, we had manifestos, we had promises. Actually, those were not promises, were commitments that will ensure that we commit to those promises. We made commitments ukuthi sizodeliver sonke student sizoba happy nge-leadership yeSASCO. Engifuna ukusho kwi-current member ye-SRC ekhona manje, SRC elect, ukuthi comrades since seningenile e-office kumele bazi ukuthi bafakwe organization. That's number one. The mandate at all times, they must take it from the organization. They must not go there and operate on an island. They are there representing students. The electorate must be happy with their services. So this is not a full-time job. This is a public office. You are there to serve students. So ngalokho ngifuna ukusho ukuthi sinale tendency ukuthi bathi abantu masebengenile ku-SRC sebefakwe organization bafike ba-operate kwi-island as if bayifakile laphana. We want to ensure that the current SRC will report on a regular basis with branch ukuthi this is the way to go, 1 no 2 no 3 no 4 esifisa ukulungisa. Fortunately nangunobhala webranch ngicela ube khona nobhala la eduze kwami as I'm outlining izinto. So it was not easy ukubuyisa uSASCO la. We had to unite the branch, we had to bring hope to students bazi ukuthi iSASCO ikhona. There were a number of internal battles, but this current BEC esalidana manje akwazi ukudeliver 100% ensured ukuthi sonke students happy, ensured ukuthi every SASCO member is happy. This is the secretary who was working day in day out together with the chairperson we branch as us all as the collective best leader with BEC. So sizothi ku SRC engenile, congratulations. We urge you all, comrades, ukuthi don't forget ukuthi nifako ubani laphana. The electorate must be respected at all time. The electorate must be happy. The manifestos that you promised them or the manifestos that were delivered, please, comrades, ensure that those manifestos are being delivered ukuze uSASCO uzobuya ube culture e-Ejud. Ingane ke seyincwabile namhlanje ngicabanga ukuthi nobonile umncwabo ingane encane no 10 years kade siyifihla laphana ilele ngokuthula ngoba ke bekumdlwembe sithe ngeke simbele umgodi but sizomshisa bathini ngesilungu lokukushisa bathi cremation. So ushisile kumdlwembe ngeke uphinde uvuke ngisho ngabe sekuthiwa kubuya uJesu kuthiwa bavuka balele emathuneni akanalo ithuna yena ushile. So ilokho engifisa ukusho ukuthi thank you very much comrades who have voted for SASCO. Thank you very much fellow students. To the entire student populace, we want to say much gratitude to you all. Sincerely appreciate your vote, and we promise ukuthi from now moving forward we'll ensure ukuthi yonke into enifuna ukuthi organization inenzele yona nakubala siyakwazi konke kuzolungiswa. Ngicela ukudedela unobhala ongeka operate ku-island but ozolayiza at all times with the current serving BEC. Thank you.